Welcome everyone, it's Conquistador here. Join us to conquer the world. Get ready to laugh, explore, and get inspired. We post daily videos and we stream daily on Twitch. I hope you guys like this video. Here is a new content for you to get entertained. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it, guys. Much love. It's a 3-minute video. We'll react to it. We'll make a nice 6-7 minutes video of it. Hope you guys like this nice. Please stop microwaving fucking eggs.
Daily dose of internet. People are starting to learn that microwaving hard-boiled eggs isn't a great idea.
Whoa! Boom! Better than a frag grenade.
This has to be the most talented
That's a weird
pants holder
cat.
in the world.
What the fuck? Dude, what is this? Holy moly. Holy shit.
This soldier's parachute didn't deploy properly during a military exercise.
Oh, you see that guy right there?
Holy damn. Reperenio.
Oh,
Oof.
This duck
They're on
loves
snow,
getting
too.
kisses. This school hosted an event.
You guys, when I kiss you like that, do you like be one more kiss? If I go, do you go one more kiss, one more kiss? I see you
For the
guys.
parents of
You're
students
enjoying
to
it.
race against each other, and one of the moms that was racing is a 2-time Olympic gold medalist.
No, that's gay. Leonidas, if I give you a kiss, you say I'm gay. Okay. Look at this dude. He's living in 1012, man. It's a kiss on your fucking forehead. You should say thank you. You said Alhamdulillah, man. What the fuck? Only if I say the magic words. Buy me a burger. That's my magic words. Would you accept if you buy me a burger, magic words? Idiot. Wow. Oh. Some Mortal Kombat stuff. What the fuck? Oh. Holy shit. Sheesh. Again? Okay, bro, you're the
Paramedics in the
best.
UK are training with jetpacks to make it easier to save people who are in remote locations far away from any roads.
Oh. What if the thing turned off?
I have never seen a cat give
That's
this type
nice,
of
alright.
attitude before.
He's lagging. You never played Escape from Tarkov, I guess. He's lagging. You have 1000 ping, man. Behave. Tell him you need help, I give you a better internet.
These scientists made a device that can levitate pieces of styrofoam using sound waves. This is what happens when you poke a blue button jellyfish.
Dude. What the hell? That is nuts, by the way.
It took me a few watches to finally get it.
Oh, what is this dude doing up there?
This
Takes me only
helicopter
once.
rescue
My
team
eyes are
spotted
better.
someone that was stuck in an avalanche with only their face and arm above the snow.
Holy shit.
That is the end of this video, or we hope you enjoyed.
Did
I'll
you
see guys
enjoy,
again
chat?
very, very soon. Later.
I hope you enjoyed, guys. Make sure to subscribe for us. Hit that button and tell us your secret magic word if you want a kiss in your face. Leonidas want a kiss somewhere else, but he said I'm gay, so I would ban him from my chat now. Get tricked, Leonidas. Kiss the homie, good night. Hey guys, good night. I wasn't going into a raid. Huh? Game? I swear to God, I clicked. And I ensured. We're doing some good clips, to be honest. Crazy customer climbs in drive-through window. What the fuck? Okay, let's watch this one.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
This is another daily dose of internet reaction. Leonidas, this time I will kiss you on the cheek. So. Oh, what a video! I hope you guys like that. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me, and we appreciate all the love, all the comments that you've been posting. And seriously, guys, if you have any suggestions, any thoughts, any questions, you can post in comments or in our Discord channel. If you have enjoyed the Discord server, you can click it down there. And yeah, if you want more videos and hungry for more, make sure to check our channel. There's lots of videos. See you in the next one. Stay safe, stay positive, and enjoy your life. Love you guys, and really much appreciate each one of you. Much love. See you next one.